the closer you get to the 50 moving average line, the better of a value you get by purchasing Palantir. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing a stock price prediction for Palantir, because this stock, as you guys know, has been having a really good track record for the past couple of days, because they have been getting new contracts upon new contracts, and that's just really bullish news for this stock. And if you guys didn't know already, in this channel we will be doing a lot more stock price predictions based on technical analysis. So if you really want to see a lot more updates on Palantir, on NEO, on SBE, and all the other stocks that are really popular right now, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below, because we will be doing a lot more stock price predictions, guys. So if you want to be a part of the family, make sure to sub, and let's get right into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do today is explain what Palantir does, basically. Let's make it short. Palantir is basically a software company. They help governments to streamline their software. Palantir basically specializes in data gathering, and they also help with the analysis that the companies are doing. And most of these contracts are with governments like the US, like the UK. Recently, they had a lot of contracts with Japan, with Fujitsu, especially to help improve their vaccination program, to make their software a lot more streamlined, and so that the agencies can have a lot less work. So that way, these agencies can have all the information within a click, which is absolutely really good, because, you know, most of the governments, they have old systems, they have to rely on old software, and Palantir is basically helping those governments to have a better experience overall, and that is really key why I believe this company will be really bullish in the upcoming future. So most of its contracts are also governmental contracts, so they have about $1.5 billion in government contracts alone, which is absolutely amazing, guys. That's just so high of a number, and they are getting their toes dipped inside of the private sectors. Today we will be talking about a new contract that Palantir has gathered just today, guys, and that is about the contract with the Californian electric grid, guys. That's right, Palantir has had a brand new contract with California, basically, and they will be helping the Californian government, they will be helping California to help streamline data management across the Californian electric grid, which is really, really good. So they basically want to help improve California's electric operations and asset management. And this will result in enhancing their electric system safety and grid reliability, so that the people from California will have a lot more reliable electricity system. They will be doing this with the Pacific Gas and Electric Company. They have initiated a deployment of Palantir's Foundry software, which is their private software, if you guys didn't know. And they will be providing California with a single integrated platform. So they do this to provide a single integrated platform to provide decision makers a real-time, complete operational picture. Palantir basically helps gather those puzzle pieces, and they make complete picture for you, so you can look at in that kind of a way. So they help you to find the pieces and put them together with their software, and so that way you will have a nice way to understand the numbers and all what's going on within your company. Basically, that's a very simple way of putting it, what Palantir does. So let's jump right into our price prediction for today, guys. So here we are at the candlestick chart of Palantir. Right now we are on the daily candlestick chart. So first we will be doing the daily price prediction of Palantir. Next will be the 4 hours, and last but not least, the 1 hour stock price prediction for Palantir. So if we take a look at the stock currently, it is sitting at $26.95. It is up over 5% because of the contracts. So today we had, like I mentioned before, the California electric grid contract, which will be very good for our stock, because I believe that this stock will have a very fast movement, closing in on the demo day, which will be on the 26th of January. That's just like 7 days ahead of us. That is like a week. And it will be a very good catalyst, in my opinion, because the demo day will showcase the Palantir software, and it'll be an eye-opener for a lot of companies. And they might be looking at Palantir like, hey, we could use Palantir software, and they might be having contracts alongside with it, which would be amazing for us investors, because so we need a lot more contracts basically for Palantir, and the demo day will be really good for their stock, in my opinion, because today we opened on a green candlestick. We were opening at around the $27, but we had $27.55. We dropped all the way to $27 right now, and that's most of Palantir's movement for today. We could be going still very bullish for today even. And looking at our trend line, which are the white lines highlighted here, like I mentioned before in my previous Palantir video, I will be dropping a link down below, so check out my other stock price prediction for Palantir. It's very similar to this one, but we are going to have a really close breakout on this point, which will be on the 26th of January. As you guys can see, we will be having a breakout, in my opinion, because of the demo day, I hope at least. So right now we have our current support level is $22.40, but we also have a second support level at around the $24 right now. You can see that by the candlestick chart, and our resistance is $33.63, because Palantir had a huge run up in the early November to December levels, and it was very crucial for us investors. But right now we are moving sideways, even bearish a little bit, because if you guys can see, our highs are getting lower. So we have a high over here, a high over here, and our high over here, and our support level is like looking sideways. So we have a support over here. So we have a support over here at this date, and also a very strong support around this date, like here, and also a support at around the $24 to $25 range right here. So I think that our support is leveled. It won't go below this level, but if it does go closer to the 50 moving average line, it would be a really good buy, because the closer you get to the 50 moving average line, the better of a value you get by purchasing Palantir. So it would be very wise, or I'm not a financial advisor, but if you can get Palantir at around the $24 to $25 range, that's really good. That's really cheap for this stock, because I believe that it has huge upside going into the future, and this stock could easily hit $50 by the end of 2021 because of the demo day. And if it manages to get a lot more private contracts, it could go really, really up. So as long as the most important thing is that we should be able to break the resistance of $33, and that would put Palantir in a bullish trend, because our stock could be going really good. Because let's look at our break line. If we manage to break above the $33 before the demo day, we could be going to new all-time highs, because let's take a look at the MACD. The MACD is really close, it's about to cross. So let's say that the MACD really does cross like this, and the RSI starts to going overbought, we could be having a really bull run. Like if you look at the previous bull run, like right here, the price of $33, we had the RSI was overbought, and we had a really good momentum. But after that, of course, the sell-off happened, and people started taking profits at around this point of the MACD, and our volume started dropping at around to these levels. So we could be going to the overbought on the RSI, and I believe that before the demo day we will be having a bull run for Palantir stock. So if you want to stay with me and cover the next price predictions for Palantir, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below, because I will be sharing a lot more news about Palantir, about the contracts that they're getting on a very frequent basis. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you next time, guys. So guys, that was the end of my stock price prediction for Palantir stock. I am really bullish on this stock, guys, because they have so much upside. They have currently no competition whatsoever. And I believe that within 2021, this stock could easily hit $50 to $60. It's going to be a very steep upside. Like, it's going to grow really fast. And if you want to be a part of this stock, make sure to stay close to the 50 moving average line, because that's where the value really lies with Palantir. And right now they are up over 5% for the day alone, because we have a very good catalyst, which will be on the 26th of January, which is a demo day for Palantir software. They're going to attract a lot more people to their software, and I believe that it's going to be a really good catalyst going forward. And let's stay right with Palantir. So subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below if you really like my technical analysis, and I will see you next time. Peace out.